In the heart of the Gospel of John, chapters 17 to 21, unfolds an inspiring tale filled with profound teachings and timeless wisdom. Imagine a scene where Jesus, knowing his time is near, prays earnestly for his disciples. This is in John 17, often called the high priestly prayer. Here Jesus prays not just for his close followers, but for all future believers. It's a striking moment of unity. In verse 21, Jesus hopes that all of them may be one, a theme of unity that resounds throughout his teachings. Transitioning to chapter 18, we're taken to a garden, but not as serene as it sounds. Jesus is arrested here, and amidst chaos, he demonstrates his divine calm. In a startling moment, Peter, attempting to defend Jesus, cuts off a soldier's ear, but Jesus shows compassion, healing the man. It highlights his commitment to peace, even when he's facing immense injustice. Now, in chapter 19, we're led through Jesus' crucifixion, a moment of great sorrow for his followers. Yet it's pivotal. Jesus' last words, "It is finished," in verse 30, signify not defeat but the fulfillment of his mission.
It marks the completion of a promise, offers salvation to humanity. Chapter 20 brings a turn of events. The tomb is found empty, and disbelief turns to joy as Jesus appears to Mary Magdalene, calling her by name.
It's a personal and profound encounter, showing that even in despair, hope can be reborn. Thomas the doubter sees Jesus and declares, "My Lord and my God," in verse 28, acknowledging Jesus' divinity, which reassures us of his triumph over death. The final chapter, 21, brings us to a peaceful shore. Jesus appears to his disciples, guiding them to a miraculous catch of fish. It's here he speaks intimately with Peter, asking, "Do you love me?" 3 times, restoring Peter after his earlier denials. Jesus' repeated question in verse 17 signals forgiveness and reinstates Peter as a leader. These chapters weave a narrative of unity, sacrifice, victory over death, and restoration. Regardless of where you stand with the Bible, these closing chapters of John offer universal themes of hope, forgiveness, and love, inviting all to explore deeper.